Let's see how to reset iPad tablet without password. In the first step, open Settings. After that, choose Face ID and passcode. Later, press Turn off passcode. In the next step, open Settings. Next, select Apple ID and then tap Sign Out. In the next step, open Settings, then go to General. Next, press Transfer or Reset. In the next step, link iPad to a computer. Next, start iTunes or Finder. After that, pick the device from the list. In the next step, press Restore iPad. After that, let the process finish. Next, configure your device again. You are good to go.